Hello, welcome to Early Years Singing Assembly. Let's start by putting our hands in the air and going, hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Wonderful. Why don't we start by singing our song about every colour under the sun? Do you remember the actions? My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown and yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me. And no one that's quite like you. But if you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. Should we have a go together? Now I've recorded the music onto my piano so I can do the actions as well. Okay, let's have a go. My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown and yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me, and no one that's quite like you. But if you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown and yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me, and no one that's quite like you. But if you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. Wonderful, well done. How about we do one of our action songs? Can you remember? One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. We'll all be healthy today. And then we do one finger, one thumb, one hand, keep moving. So then you've got to keep your finger and your thumb and your hand moving. Oh my goodness me. One finger, one thumb, one hand, keep moving. And then we're going to do one finger, one thumb, one hand, one arm, keep moving. And then two fingers, two thumbs, two hands, two arms. Oh, it's getting very movie. Then we've got two fingers, two thumbs, two hands, two arms, one nod of the head. Keep moving. And then the last one, I don't get to do this because I've got to play the piano, but you get to do two fingers, two thumbs, two hands, two arms, one nod of the head, and jump in the air. Can you jump in the air? That's the important bit, okay? Let's see how we go. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. We'll all be healthy today. One finger, one thumb, one hand, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one hand, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one hand, keep moving. We'll all be healthy today. How are you doing? Are you managing to move your finger and your thumb and your hand? Because now we've got to add the arm in. Are you ready? One finger, one thumb, one hand, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one hand, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one hand, one arm, keep moving. We'll all be healthy today. Oh my goodness. Now, we've done it with one finger, one thumb, one hand, one arm. Now we're going to do it with two. Both hands, both arms, both fingers, both thumbs. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Two fingers, two thumbs, two hands. jump in the air. Got to do it at the right time. Here we go. 3, 2 fingers, 2 thumbs, 2 hands, 2 arms, keep moving. Oh, I didn't do it. That's no good. 1, 2, 2 fingers, 2 thumbs, 2 hands, 2 arms, 1 nod of the head, a jump in the air, keep moving. 2 fingers, 2 thumbs, 2 hands, 2 arms, 1 nod of the head, a jump in the air, keep moving. 2 fingers, 2 thumbs, 2 hands, 2 arms, 1 nod of the head, 1 jump in the air, keep moving. We'll all be merry and gay. Oh my goodness me, that was difficult. I couldn't really sing all that at once. Maybe we should have gone slower. Oh no, I like going fast. Ha! It's always good fun. Right, did you over the weekend notice there was some thunder? Did you hear it? Flash of light and then a sort of rumbling sound. That's thunder. We have a song about thunder. I hear thunder. Do you know how it goes? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. How about you? How about you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Now, how about we make some thundery noises in the piano? How about this? Oh, does that sound a bit thundery? I might even put it lower. Are you ready? Oh, that's definitely thundery. So let's have that. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. How about you? How about you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Was that thundery? Ooh, very low sounds. Listen again. Those are definitely low sounds, aren't they? And the raindrops, they were a bit higher. They were sort of up here. I like that for the raindrops. So this time, shall we have I hear thunder down here? And when we get to pitter patter raindrops, I'm going to put some raindrops in here. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. How about you? How about you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. I like that because some of our song was low and some of our song was high. I like it when songs do things like that. It's interesting. How about, now let me see. We've had Every Colour Under the Sun, 1 finger, 1 thumb. I Hear Thunder. Oh yes, I was going to teach you a new song. And this is a song that our choir children in year 4, 5 and 6 are learning. And I thought we might learn it as well. It's not in English. It's, I think, in Ghanaian, and it is Soma 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 Kijana Masika Zazidi Badilika. It means read, 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 young person. Days are changing, young person, which is a lovely idea, isn't it? Just by reading, we're changing the world. What a great idea. Now, can you make me 2 fingers, and we're going to go read. That's like your eyes scanning over a page, looking at all the words and reading. Oh, isn't it exciting to learn to read? What an amazing thing you're all doing. Learning to read letters and then words and then whole stories. And once you can read whole stories, you can read anything you want. And that means you can choose. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, so we're going to go read, read. Soma, soma, soma. Okay? Soma. Oh, that doesn't sound good, does it? What have I done? There we go. Soma, soma, soma. Try that. Soma, soma, soma. Have another go. Soma, soma, soma. Were you doing the actions for read? Okay. And then we say young person, because it's young people we're trying to encourage to read as much as they can. And the word is kijana, kijana. And we do that like this. Kijana, kijana. So we're going to go soma, 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 kijana. Have a go. Soma, soma, soma. ki jana. And we'll learn the rest next time. But now we need to put our hands in the air and we have to go goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.